Hello, my name is Aleksandr Lazarenko and I am head of R&D department at Group IB. Group IB is a global cybersecurity company, which is intelligence-driven cybersecurity vendor, and we design products and services which help us to protect our clients all over the world. In our products, we use AI and machine learning to protect our customers in different ways. For example, our threat intelligence platform has lots and lots of modules which allows us to collect and correlate different pieces of data all over the internet. So we use machine learning to analyze and find hidden patterns in data from internal and external telemetry within the company. And for example, we have a solution which is called TDS Polygon, which exploits artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to analyze the behavior of malware samples. So basically, artificial intelligence is saying to you that if the particular program is malware or not. If we will continue with use cases of our systems, so for example, during the cybercrime investigations, our analysts can use our systems to correlate the data, find hidden patterns, and execute the investigation processes more efficiently all over the world.